Is it possible to compound $1 into 8,000 using gaps combined with candlestick psychology? In this video, I'm going to show you the cons and pros of this strategy. Make sure you watch the entire video. There will be multiple pro tips for you to enhance your win rate, whether you are experienced trader or beginner trader. For the candlestick time frame, I will be using 1 minute Japanese candle, okay? And then for the expiration, I'll be using the flag mode instead of the regular timer, okay? And make sure this side is always on 0 so that your trade closes when the running candle close. All right. Okay, I was waiting for a better entry, guys, but I realized I could see the power behind this candle here, and I just felt like it wouldn't came down, which is my bad. This was a bit of a stretch, but because it's just $1 and I'm doing compounding, guys, which, to be honest with you, compounding, let me tell you something about compound, guys. It's really good, but it's also a way of increasing your capital very quickly. But the thing about it is that you have to search for perfect opportunities. Like, you can't search for medium or weak opportunities. Every opportunity has to be solid, okay? And that's the reason why I decided to use the gaps with this strategy, because I know that gaps are very good, okay? And I want to see how far I can get with $1. Taking this also right here, and you see, this is something which I don't know, guys. Only with the flag timer you get this type of trading, right, where you can enter the trade even when there's like 30 seconds, 25 seconds, something, 20 seconds leave on the candle, okay? And you still take the same trade that you wanted to take, and the price close with you. Look at that. And that's all because of the inside gap also. Taking another trade here, guys. I saw that there was a 2 bar going higher. There was a continuation sign on that one. Plus, I have my major reason for taking this trade, which is the inside gap, and I'm taking advantage of this inside gap because I realized that the price is still in a small uptrend, but it's a very decent one. So I'm expecting the price to close in my direction and stuff like that. So let's see the what's gonna happen for this trade here. But I'm pretty confident in this trade though, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. So it seems as if my prediction for this trade was correct, guys. Beautiful. Okay, I'm taking this trade right here, guys. As you see, we have a reversal candle right here, a red reversal candle, and I see the inside gap, which is my main reason for taking the trade. It wasn't because of the candle, but the candle. All right, guys, what I do is this, right? With candlestick psychology, I use it to add more confluences, and I use it to increase my confidence and the accuracy of the trades I take, okay? Oh, look at this one. This gap is very much deep inside of this candle, and the beauty about this candle is that the part where it is, if you notice very good, hold on, let me zoom in. Yeah, with this particular candle, it's a sign of reversal. You see, this was a hammer coming up, and then we have a continuation, then the inside gap, and I don't even want to talk about the trend, but even also the trend is there. Like, there's just everything in the way for me to win this particular trade. But I want to say something to you guys. You see, compounding is it might be the quickest way to like flip a small account, but you have to also factor in the risk, okay? Because at the same time, I know this is like the sweetest and the fastest way, but it's also a riskier way too, okay? Taking this right here, if you look closely, you could see a very, it's not a big gap, but if you look good, you could see that this candle kind of, you can see that this candle open inside of this candle right here. See that? I don't know if you guys are seeing it clearly, but yeah, there is a inside gap and it's filling right now. Look at that. See? Beautiful. Okay, I'm taking this. So now we finally find a breakaway gap. And we see the armor candle right there. Let me see what's going on. Oh, we're in the overall uptrend. But I saw this smaller uptrend. I already saw it. But the overall uptrend just like increases my confidence like, like 30%, you know what I mean? So yeah. And the main reason why I took this wasn't because of the trend or anything like that. It was mainly because of the breakaway gap. That's like the main reason why I took the trade. Okay. As I said, I just add those things as additional confluences. Okay. Right, so I'm taking this one here. I see that there is a change of trend. Let me see. Alright, what's going on here? Okay, there's a change of trend right here, guys. Plus I have an inside gap. There's a 2-bar continuation sign, plus a current trend also. So with all of these confluences, guys, I'm very confident in this trade. And yes, we're coming from a very solid area. Okay, and yeah, let's see what's gonna happen for this trade. Oh, the beautiful thing too, guys, I have a very big discount entry because when I reach here, the price was all the way here. And this is why I love flag mode, as I said, because when you enter anywhere on the candle, your trade close with the candle. See that? Apply for mentorship to learn everything I'm doing on a deeper level. Without deep knowledge, it's difficult to be profitable. If your goal is to be profitable, link is in description to apply for mentorship. I'm taking this trade right here because of this inside gap. Guys, I'm going to show you something which you never heard before. Alright, look at this. You know a way how you can test if a gap will work. Look right here. See this inside gap right here? You see it work? Now, if you're here and you're taking an inside gap, you can expect it to work. That's what I'm saying. So it's called like market pattern. So you're observing how the pattern operates in the market, right? So therefore, when you're about to take the trade, you can at least have a confidence that it might work because it worked previously. So what I'm saying? I'm taking this right here. You see that, guys, there isn't even much time left on the candle, but because I'm using flag mode combined with the inside gap, I could took my trade for discount entry. And yeah, let's see what's gonna happen. So the inside gap is actually filling, guys. Look at that. I'm not gonna lie, using flag mode with compounding is like the best combination. So look at this engulfing candle here, guys. You see that? This is so nice. Let me see. Okay, yeah, we're in good direction. And this engulfing candle with the inside gap, okay, the engulfing candle has continuation sign on it, so this trade is perfect. It's super perfect. Now, guys, I want you to know that I already validate the trade. I just go over the trade to show you guys what's my thought process. You know what I'm saying? Like, I already, like, when I'm taking the trade, guys, I observe the candlesticks very quickly because it's only 1 minute. Then I might say to you guys, like, explain to you guys my thought process where I took the trade. Okay, I know I might be looking at the trend and stuff, but I'm actually looking at it to show you guys that you should always try to go with it. And I'm taking this right here. You guys see the inside gap for yourself. Now with this trade here, I'm practically against the trend. Okay, but because I see that this is a very strong candle, yes, this trade will yeah, this trade will close confidently. So let's see what's gonna happen. As you guys see, guys, this trade is so good. It's so good. If you understand candlestick psychology, like it's a lot of variables. That's why I call it candlestick psychology. Apply for mentorship to learn everything I'm doing on a deeper level. Without deep knowledge, it's difficult to be profitable. If your goal is to be profitable, link is in description to apply for mentorship. Right. I have been looking for a nice breakaway gap to show you guys. Look at this. Here's one right here. Some people call it outside gap, but I want you guys to know that it's just different names, but it's the same thing. Okay, breakaway gap, outside gap is the same thing. What you need to understand about it is that you notice how this candle right here, it breaks the wick and also the body. So we need the both of them to be broken to validate the trade that it is okay. We want to make sure that it's a true breakaway gap, right? Because right here, it's a if it break away but it's still in the wick, it's a fake breakaway gap. Okay, but if it break the wick, it's a true breakaway gap. Hope you guys are understanding what I'm saying very clearly here. Okay. Okay, I'm taking this right here, guys. There was a shift in the market based on market sentiment and price action and market structure. There was a beautiful shift in the market, so therefore I'm expecting the price to go in my direction because we have a inside gap, a engulfing candle, a change of trend, market structure broken, plus you see the rally base rally right here, and you see how much, guys, you see how much stuff I'm compounding in one strategy. And this is the reason why candlestick psychology is very important. If you're looking for that consistency, you cannot work without candlestick psychology. Like it's not really possible, to be honest, right? Because you kind of need to flow in the market at times. Remember, the market is very dynamic, so you have to be dynamic also. See what I'm saying? If you want to learn everything I'm doing on a deeper level, you can use the link in description to apply for mentorship. This will be the end of my video. Peace out.